Why spending $800 on a Craftsman tool set instead of going for Milwaukee might actually be a smart move, not a fail. Okay, so you've been saving up for ages to get out of that random Harbor Freight chaos and finally land a decent mechanic set, right? You picked Craftsman after doing your homework, reading reviews, checking specs, and seeing it had a lifetime warranty, which is pretty clutch for weekend warriors and basic repairs. Your coworker's roasting you for not grabbing Milwaukee, but honestly, Milwaukee's price tag for a comparable set is way higher, like $1,200 or more, which was totally out of your budget. Craftsman tools are known for solid build quality, and that lifetime warranty means if anything breaks, they've got your back without extra cost. Also, think about what you actually need. If your projects are mostly around the house or casual fixes, you're not missing out by skipping the super high-end stuff. Plus, tool brand loyalty is real, but it's mostly hype. It doesn't always translate to better value for your money. Just make sure to keep your tools clean and well-maintained, and they'll serve you well for years. Remember, it's about how you use the tools, not just the brand name slapped on them. One of the biggest mistakes people make when buying tools is falling into brand tribalism, thinking one brand automatically means better quality or performance. Sometimes that's just marketing hype. Fix? Focus on what tools you actually need, and read plenty of unbiased reviews before buying. Another common problem is overspending on fancy sets loaded with stuff you'll never use, which wastes your hard-earned cash. Fix? Buy a basic set that covers your usual tasks and adds specialized tools as you go. Last but not least, ignoring warranties or customer service can bite you later if something breaks or doesn't work right. Fix? Choose brands like Craftsman that offer solid warranties and easy-to-access support to save headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching or shady reviews. It also helps contractors get connected with real customers who need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.